Shocking impact of drinking clove water at night. Did you know there's a secret ingredient sitting in your kitchen right now that could transform your health in ways you've never even considered? Yes, we're talking about cloves. Clove water at night might just be the secret your body has been waiting for. Welcome to Nutrizen. This video is based on thorough research and expert consultation with a certified nutritionist and intended for educational purposes only. When you drink clove water at night, your body gets a chance to absorb these nutrients while it's at rest, leading to numerous health benefits. But how does this work? Let's dive in. Benefit 1. Promotes better digestion. First up, clove water helps with digestion. Cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes that break down food efficiently, reducing bloating and discomfort. If you feel heavy or bloated after meals, drinking clove water before bed can help ease that discomfort. It aids digestion overnight, making you feel lighter in the morning. Benefit 2. Strengthens the immune system. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants that help your body fight free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Drinking clove water regularly strengthens your immune system by enhancing your body's ability to ward off infections. It's like an extra layer of protection for your body, especially during cold and flu seasons. Benefit 3. Reduces inflammation and pain. Inflammation affects many people, especially those with arthritis or injuries. Luckily, cloves have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking clove water helps reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, making it an excellent natural remedy for joint pain, headaches, and muscle soreness after a long day. Benefit 4. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. For those concerned about blood sugar, clove water can be a game changer. Cloves improve insulin function and help regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking clove water at night allows your body to manage sugar levels while you sleep, especially beneficial for people with diabetes or those who want to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Benefit 5. Enhances sleep quality. Struggling with sleepless nights? Clove water has calming properties that help you relax. Cloves can reduce stress and anxiety, promoting better sleep. Drinking clove water before bed can improve your sleep quality, helping you drift off more easily and sleep soundly through the night. Benefit 6. Supports liver health. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, especially while you sleep. Clove water enhances liver function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Drinking clove water at night helps your liver cleanse your body, improving overall liver health over time. Benefit 7. Improves oral health. Cloves have long been used in dental care thanks to a compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural anesthetic and antiseptic. Drinking clove water can improve your oral health, relieving toothaches and freshening your breath. It's a simple remedy for maintaining healthy gums and teeth. Benefit 8. Promotes healthy skin. Clove water is also great for your skin. Cloves contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help improve skin health by reducing acne, blemishes, and signs of aging. Regularly drinking clove water provides your skin with essential nutrients, making it healthier and more radiant from the inside out. Benefit 9. Aids in weight loss. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, clove water might help. It boosts metabolism and helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Drinking clove water at night allows your body to continue burning fat while you sleep, making it a great addition to a healthy diet and exercise routine. Benefit 10. Improves respiratory health. Clove water is also beneficial for your respiratory system. Cloves have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve congestion and improve breathing. If you suffer from asthma, allergies, or other respiratory conditions, drinking clove water at night can help soothe your airways and reduce inflammation, promoting better lung health. How to prepare and use clove water. To prepare clove water, all you need are 2 to 3 whole cloves and 1 cup of water. Start by boiling the water and then add the cloves. Let the mixture simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the beneficial properties of the cloves to infuse into the water. After that, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. Once cooled, strain the water to remove the cloves. For the best results, drink 1 cup of this clove water at night, about 30 minutes before going to bed. You can drink it daily or 3 to 4 times a week, depending on your preference and needs. There you have it. Try incorporating clove water into your nightly routine and see how it makes a difference in your health. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nutrizin for more natural health tips.